Hi Thăng,
iPhone.
next the step to install Windows 10 or start. What's the first step?
You need to upgrade to Windows 10. What is the second step?
The second step is to download the Windows 10 Media Creation 2. The third, what is the third step?
In the third step, you need to run the Windows 10 Media Creation tool. What about the fourth step?
The fourth step is to choose the Windows 10 version and the first step.
In the fifth step, you need to choose a storage device and start the download. What do you need to do in the sixth step?
The sixth step is to begin the window 10 is tossing. What about the seventh step?
You need to perform a custom install. What do you do in the eighth step?
The eighth step is to choose where to install. What is the ninth step?
Okay, you need to complete the setup. What about the final step?
Uh, the tenth step is to confirm that Windows 10 has a stability creating. I think we have all the steps now.
Perfect. Thank you for the information.
You are welcome.